Alright, hello everyone. I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to install and use OBS Studio. This is a fairly universal screen capture program, and it's a little bit hard to get started, but once you do, it's fairly easy to use. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to obsproject.com. That link should be in the description, and then you're going to click just on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, depending on what OS you're using. Most people will use Windows, but if you're going to use Mac or Linux, just go ahead and click those instead. But it's just going to download a quick installer here. So once that's done, you'll just open that up, run it. It'll bring up a setup wizard, and then you can go ahead and open up your OBS. So this is how your OBS will look at first. I might have to put a little bit of input in there, but this is going to be a black screen. There's not really going to be anything on it. You've got two different audio settings for desktop and mic. Don't have to worry about those right now, but essentially what you're going to want to do once you're in here is you're going to want to, go into your settings, and you're going to want to go to, if you're going to stream, you can go ahead and change that there. Otherwise, your output, you're going to want to go ahead and set up your video bitrate, your quality, your recording format, and the encoder. So this is my settings here. If you want higher quality, just go ahead and click that and go ahead and put it to, either indistinguishable or lossless. That's up to you. Usually I do my audio bitrate at about 160, but if I want my audio to be a little bit clearer, I'll go ahead and bump that down, or up, sorry. And then after that, you can put in some hotkeys if you like. I've got mine bound to F8 and F9 to start and stop recording, and you can see there's a whole bunch of different hotkeys you can put in there. And then that should be everything you need for the setup, other than, I guess, you need to set up the path for where your videos will save. I just saved mine to my my user at videos. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and click OK or Apply, and then you'll be brought here. So this is where some people get a little more confused, but once you figure it out, it's pretty easy to get set up. So what you're going to want to do, if you're going to do just a standard display capture, is you're going to go down here to Sources, going to click Add, and then you're going to want to go to a, where is it, window capture, I think. Wait, no. You're going to want to go to a display capture, sorry. As soon as I find it. So then you can go ahead and just name it display capture, add that right in, and it'll show you the preview of it. That should all be fine. You can disable capture cursor if you don't like it. So if you're doing like a game or something where you wouldn't want to see the cursor, you can go ahead and just unclick that, and then just press OK, and you're going to be greeted with something like this. So from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and, if this is all you want to do, just go ahead and click Start Recording and just let it run, and when you're done, stop it. Or if you're like me and you need audio for that, you can go ahead and also add an audio input capture. And then I can't do this I can't demonstrate this right now, but I will add a sample shortly after I'm done with this, just to show you how that I did capture it indeed. Hello everyone, just showing you the me setting everything up. This is just how it'll look once you've started up OBS. Yeah, I don't really have much more to show here, but it is working. You can see that right there. Basically all I did is you can add an audio input, and then you just add existing and mic/aux. Go ahead and press OK, and that should start capturing your audio. So you're going to want to do create new. You can name it whatever you like, and then you're going to add existing, and then whichever your mic input is. So go ahead and mine just aux cord. So That's all put in, and then from there will be another green line right here in which you can go ahead and bump those up to whatever volume level you like. You can see right there, it is indeed showing my my voice. However, right now it's not capturing it due to the fact that I don't have an audio input capture set up. So, that there is the basics of OBS Studio. Any questions, anything, just pop that down in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. And I will see you next time.